said that you moved on.
Hi everyone, you watching Gadget Zone. What's up guys, Mufusi here. In this video I'm going to unbox the all new Samsung Galaxy M31. This phone comes with 6GB of RAM and 128GB of ROM. First we can unbox the device. First impression with the box, it's not great, it's just average. So first we can check out the accessories. Seat type, normal earphone, the charger, 15-watt fast charger. Here you can see it's written over here, fast charger. So that's great. So now we can check out the device. So the main reason to buy this phone has the largest battery, 6000 mAh battery. So that's a lot. So it will take some time to boot up, so I'm just skipping that part. Yeah, now the device is ready to use. So you can see here the touch, I don't know, it feels so smoothy. Wow. So that's great, it just flows. So next we can check out the software. About phone, software information. This device comes with One UI Core 2.0 and also the Android 10, the latest version of the Android. So that's great. So now we can go back. Next we can check out the camera. This device comes with 64 megapixel wide, 8 megapixel ultra wide, 5 megapixel macro and 5 megapixel depth. So it's a lot. This device comes with 4 cameras. So I will put some sample photos taken by this device. That's all. Thanks for watching. Hope you liked the video. Please consider subscribing. See you in another video. Thank you.